So wood, that process is typically done in barrel tumblers, and it uses hardwood.
Those two things
Typically
together.
uses hardwood
That's all it
media.
takes.
And what you would do is you would put your parts into a load with like a hardwood peg or a cube. And the reason you would add the cubes really are just to allow for a softer, remember that cascading action we were talking about? If you were to put a bunch of blocks like this into a barrel tumbler, they're gonna be banging into each other and damage each other. But if you can fill that space with smaller media, you get this nice cascading action. And if you put a white aluminum oxide in there, or a black silicon carbide, depending on the color of your wood, that will sand the part down and give you beautiful soft edges, remove any kind of saw marks and things like that.